Hello students, today our grammar point is the past perfect. The past perfect expresses the idea that something occurred before another action in the past. Here we have an example of a sentence in the past perfect. It reads, I had lived in Brandon before I came to Vancouver. In this sentence you can see that there are two actions that occurred in the past. If I were to represent this in a visual, it would look something like this. I'll draw myself a timeline. Here would be the future, this is the present, and this is the past. So if we look at the sentence, I had lived in Brandon, this is the first action in the past, before I came to Vancouver, and here's the second action. So on the timeline, when the person lived in Brandon would be about here, and then when the person came to Vancouver would be about here. Both these actions occurred in the past. One way you can spot the past perfect is by looking at its form, or how the sentence is constructed. In this case, the form is had plus a past participle. And usually the past participle is a verb ending in one of these ways here. Below here, we have two examples that fit this form. The first example, had Chang ever studied Mandarin before he moved to China? We have had and the verb studied with the ed. In the second example, it reads, had you ever visited Winnipeg before your trip in 2006? We have had and the verb visited with an ed as well. I hope this screencast was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can email me or see me in class.